Greetings everyone. Today I'm going to unbox this Black & Decker 20 volt lithium ion recuperating saw. No, I am not sponsored by Black & Decker. I paid for this with my own money. Costed me about 60 bucks. However, I do have a Black & Decker weed whacker that has the same battery. So I have other batteries, so I thought, why not just get a Black & Decker reciprocating saw, and I have another battery. And what I'm going to do is, I have a chainsaw. I have a big chainsaw, and I know I need to cut a few trees down, but there's a lot of excuse me, sticks and stuff like that that need to be cut, trimmed, low-hanging branches. So I thought this would be a better idea, just to go around. It's a lot easier instead of starting up the chainsaw and go around and trim up some trees and some branches and stuff like that. So we'll start unboxing this. Notice I'm using a saw blade to open it up. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by any means of Black & Decker. I paid for this with my own money. And you get a blade along with it. Easy step-by-step instructions. Seems well built. And here you can put the blade on. I know I'm not. Okay. Lock it in place. I have a battery already charged up. Push the safety button, and it works. It's a lock mechanism on there, so if nobody that, like some kids or something that come across it, they might not be able to use it. So, yeah, let's go try it out and see how well it does. Okay, here's a branch that I would like to trim. See how it works. Just like that. Easy. What do you think about this? I think it's going to do a fine job. And I can do it for other jobs too. I mean, if I have something going on that I need to trim something real easy, woodworking or something like that, or piping, PVC piping or something. But yeah, for 60 bucks, I think this is a pretty good saw. I know there's other, bigger name brands and a bigger price tag, and they're going to last a lot longer. But that weed whacker, I've had that for 3 years and never had a problem with it. Just keep changing the batteries out and keeping it clean, and it works fine. So that's all I'm hoping with this. That should last me quite a few years. Alright, if you like what I'm filming here, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I will have more videos coming out. Again, thanks for watching. And I'll have some more videos coming out. Take care.